Hey guys, welcome back. Recipe for today: some mango brown soup fish. Full videos, please like and share. Watch the video to the end. See all my spicy: pepper, onion, Irish oil, vinegar, mango. See fish there. You know, say yeah. Update on the fish them. Yes, my peeps. Fish them nice and scale and go to them thing. Fresh fish. The vinegar to wash it and thing, peeps. Yeah. So recipe are eatable, tasteable. Remember, lumberjack I represent. So every time rise, every time fall. We don't believe in the falling thing. Big up sexy body girl and big up true warrior. Big up Father God first, everything. So you fish them, then I'm gonna run water, vinegar water, wash and clean. Cut the fish them, add some season, some green season to them. So we're going to add some salt. No salt at taste and thing, peeps, yeah. Normally we have some Maggi fish season and it's same here. Yes, my peeps. You know we are seasonable fish and thing. Yes, so we have add some more seasoning again to the fish. We have seasoned the fish right and proper way. Because we want the fish to be tastable, eatable, delicious, right? And tasteful. Yes, my peeps. So starting by rubbing the season on my fish now and thing of peeps. Remember to watch the video to the end, like and share. Remember to subscribe to our channel so you put up green spice and thing then the people can show everyone. So I add some pepper to my add and the garlic. Thyme and chili and peeps, yeah. Some people that add a burn and things, you know, spice them and green things and add the fish to the fish dish. Can't hold on. Look what I go on with peeps, yes, you know, so add them to this island thing, my fry. So I want them fry golden brown and crispy. Then peeps, you must fry this. Remember the pot small but I say things, the whole spice and then mango and thing, my peeps, you can see chili and thyme, Irish, everything to the fish. Golden brown and fried crispy. Head and thing the peas, you can see what I want. You have some rice right here. You must have mango, brown stew fish and rice. The whole I spice them again there. You see I fried fish and steam the peas. And I'm going to step by step. Please remember to like and share and watch the subscribe and peas. Yeah, and recipe them on. And so I'm going to turn the fish and things because we don't want it to burn up. Yes, so now remove that on the island of peas. And update the big fish there. Yeah. I have to see if I add some more fish to the oil again now. And so I go on the way. I have extra hot. Yep. You're gonna see it now. Add the fish and steam again there. See? That recipe are nice, eatable, delicious, finger licking, tasteable. That I praise you. Yes, peeps. So I go on the now. So I'm gonna make the mango sauce now. So now I'll add some oil to the pot. And so I go on. So I'm gonna try with the oil. And see fish and they fry another up. You can fish them well crystal brown. Yeah, my peeps. And so I go on there. Yes. Delicious, eatable, tasteable, finger licking. And I'll add the mango, then I'll stir fry them 15 minutes my peeps. The mango, the Irish carrot and the onion, chili and thyme, peeps. Yes, I'm gonna add a little seasoning water to it now. Yeah, a little, I call it like a fish broth or what you want to call it. Yeah, my peeps. So I'm cover it, if you go and stir fry it for 15 minutes. And I'm going to stir it in the piece there. But I want to spoon to it with a fork instead of piece. You know what I'm saying? Yes, guys. So I'm going to add some more water to it now. So I'm going to make the mango sauce now, my peeps. So I go on there. Yeah. So I'm going to add some ketchup flavor and taste. Alright, my peeps. Remember? Add some vinegar flavor and taste. See your peeps. Alright. Some other little secret seasoning. Yeah, when I show you that it can boil and things, so you know, so the Irishman some cook and thing. Now, you must make the Irish cook first, no peeps. And the spice them cook first and thing, right? Yeah, because we know the tough Irish we eat and thing. You see the mango they cook with and flavor down. Peeps, so I go under the eat again there, so I stir the pot. Yeah, see spice them, green season them, presentation the peeps, yeah. So I go on there. So I add the fish them to it now. Remember, say a mango, brown stew fish. It's a recipe are eatable, tasteable, delicious. Remember, please like and share, guys. Can't do it out on the right. Yes, so I add the fish them to it and thing now. Another update there. Yeah, so nice fish there. So you know the pot small, but that's why it goes still see. Yeah, we soon get some bigger pot in the right time. So I say peeps, yeah. Alright. So another update now, so you know, say you have some spice right there in the plate. See there, we have alright, see presentation the peeps, the mango and the carrot and the Irish there. Put alright, please, so cover that now. Okay, go and cook for the next 10 more minutes. Yeah. So my peeps, remember the mango brown stew to peeps. When you update again, they see that simmer down peeps. I go down to gravy, so you know they want about 4 more minutes and thing before the recipe ready, my peeps. So you know, say yeah, mango them cook and thing and spice them. Yes, my peeps Irish cook and carrot and thing. You know, peeps, the presentation, the eatable, delicious, tastable. Yes, guys, cover it again. Yeah, another update again to the recipe and already I know one thing, my peeps. Yeah, we're able to tick up and reach up and thing there. Yes, guys, so I go on there. Please remember to like and share. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jamaican Cooking. Lumberjack peeps. It's a recipe that eatable, tastable, delicious. Like I say, cook and thing and all peeps. Yeah. So you know, the recipe ready. See the fish there, mango brown stew fish ready like a Freddy and now. Yeah, you can see presentation, eatable, delicious, tastable, finger licking the peeps. See what I go on there. Yeah, lock it back this one. See recipe ready there. See the fish, carrot, mango, the Irish. See what are the spices, see the rice. Remember for like and share. Jamaican Cooking with Lumberjack. Please like and share.